Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Product Review. Today I am reviewing the Ekta 2-in-1 Gem Art Craft Kit, which include diamond painting kit and friendship bracelet. This feels like a complete diamond painting set, which I bought it from Amazon. Diamond painting experience. Discover the latest craze, unleash the newest trend in crafting with the DIY Gem Friendship Bracelet Kit and DIY Gem Painting Kit. So the first activity is the diamond painting kit. This is also known as 5D diamond painting, diamond art painting, diamond painting canvas kit, diamond dot art, diamond dotting kits. Kids just need to do is pick diamond, place them on the canvas, complete their artwork. It is very easy and perfect for diamond painting. Kits for beginners. The final result looks shiny like it is a high quality diamond painting kit. Friendship bracelet kit. The second part is the friendship bracelet kit. Make handmade bracelet, use beads and colors, create DIY jewelry. This is similar to bracelet making kits for kids, DIY jewelry making kit, bead bracelet making kit or creative bracelet kit. It is great for gifting. It is great for birthday gift for girls, written gift for kids, creative gift for children. What are the learning and the benefits? It is not just a toy, it is a creative learning kit. It helps in focus and patience, creativity development, hand-eye coordination, screen-free activity. It is perfect for craft kits for girls of 6 and 12 years, DIY art kit for kids. It can be a creative play for your child, art therapy kit for kids, and sensory craft kit. Let's talk about the pros. It is the best diamond painting kit for kids. Include 2 activities in one kit. 3000 plus diamond painting diamonds. Easy DIY diamond art kit. Perfect gift for kids. Good for beginners and kids. And it is educational and creative kit. If you are searching for diamond painting kit or a diamond art kit, then this video is just for you. So friends, now we are going to unbox what you get inside. I will tell you inside the kit. So I am just going to open it. So friends, we get in this pack this and unicorn. And to pick up the diamond, we get this. This is how the kit is looking. Select the bracelet you want to start with. This is the bracelet. Look at the color list and accordingly you can choose. So this is the color list. You can dispense few diamonds from the bag according to the number you want into the tray. First, remove the protective film from the wax square. Now use a diamond stick pen and pick up the glue. This is a diamond stick pen. Stick the diamond with the pen top. Tear a small piece of the film on the bracelet and start working on that area. Stick the diamond on the bracelet. Press firmly with your hand or other flat tool to secure the diamond on the bracelet. Now your bracelet is ready to wear. And for the picture frame, they have told select the picture card you want to start with. Step 2 to 5, same as bracelet. Then 6, tear a small piece of the film on the picture card and start working on that area. Stick the diamond on the picture card. Press firmly with your hand or other flat tool to secure the diamond on the picture card. Insert picture card into the plastic frame and your own picture frame is ready to display. So in this kit, we get beautiful diamond painting canvas. We have got 2 canvas, diamond painting canvas, over 3000 plus diamond painting diamonds, tool for placing diamonds, bracelet making kit, beads and accessories, and instruction guide. This is the instruction guide for the bracelet and this is the instruction guide for picture frame. Let's talk about the cons. Small diamond pieces need care, need time and patience, adult supervision, recommended for small kids. What are the best use cases? This kit is perfect as birthday gift for girls, Christmas gift kids, written gift for kids, gift for your kids ideas, art gift set for kids, unique gift for girls, and educational gift for kids, DIY gift kit for kids. Overall, Ekta 2-in-1 Gem Art Craft Kit is a great combination of diamond painting kit and diamond art kit or friendship bracelet kit or creative learning kit. It is perfect for kids, beginners and anyone who loves DIY crafts. Highly recommended if you are looking for diamond painting kit, diamond painting kits for children or for adults or beginners, gem art kit or crystal art kit. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you want more diamond painting kit reviews or craft kit review. Thank you for watching. Bye friends.